Well, hey everybody, this is Tom, and I just wanted to talk to you guys briefly about something that I think is pretty important. Our website maintenance plans for your website. Last year a couple things happened that made us kind of decide that this is something that we should provide to our clients. And one is that the Radiant Design website actually got hacked. It had some Viagra ads put on there, and all of a sudden Google was telling me, giving me warnings that there were issues with the website, and that if it wasn't fixed that they would basically get rid of the website from their rankings. So that was very important to reminder to us that we have to take care of our website, and somehow through one of the plugins via WordPress it wasn't updated frequently enough and ended up getting hacked. So that was number one. Number two was we had a client who was hosted somewhere else. We were managing their website, and their website just got hacked, went away, and there were issues. And again, that was something very simple, that because they weren't maintaining their website properly, they didn't have a proper backup. Fortunately, the hosting company was able to go back and get a backup, but we were kind of on pins and needles for a little while, wondering if that was actually going to be able to be have the website put back into place. And number three, it was a new website that I was working on for a client, and their site, the old site that was going to get replaced, ended up completely just vanishing, and the hosting company that they were using was not able to retrieve it. Fortunately, we were 98% done with the website at the time, so we were able to publish that. Even a 98% website is much better than nothing at all. So, and then able to just finish up the website while it was the new one was up there. So for those reasons, it's been very important for us to create these maintenance plans. My whole job is to make sure that my clients are well taken care of, kind of like if you were my mother or a relative, that I'd be treating you just the same. And with my own website as well, to treat you and give you the same services that I give to my own website. So with that said, we have our website maintenance plans that we believe provide great protection for our clients. Just to make sure that no hacks happen, and if something does happen, that it'll be able to be restored very quickly. And it's kind of like getting oil changes for your car. If you don't get your oil changed in your car on a regular basis, eventually something's going to go wrong with your car, and it's not going to function well anymore. The same way with these websites, if you don't maintain them, if they aren't taken care of in the proper way, eventually something's going to happen. So what happens with WordPress is there are software plugins, there are software core updates, and then there are security issues that are just happening where people are trying to access vulnerabilities into our websites all the time. And if your site isn't maintained, then those vulnerabilities increase, because with all these different plugins that are used to puzzle your website together, those get updated all the time, sometimes monthly, occasionally some get updated on a weekly basis. And if those aren't updated properly, then they could allow hackers to come in and hack your site, inject it with malware, inject it with code that can be problematic for your website. So with all that said, our maintenance plans are priced well below what competitors are pricing them at. For most part, it's about 50%. Half the price of what a lot of other companies are charging for similar services. So we think this is a great value. We think for this rate that it's kind of a no-brainer. It's insurance for your website, that you're always going to have the most latest and greatest version of everything, and there's pretty much guarantee that it's never going to go down, because if it does go down, even for a brief period of time, I'll know right away and we'll be able to restore it. Anyway, I wanted to let you guys know about that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly, and I'd be happy to answer those questions for you. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching.